so we never have to fall. It's not an accident, it's a blueprint we draw. Friendship is the highest form of the law. I am building a sanctuary, a place for you to be, safe from the storm and the raging sea. The architecture of trust, the design of the heart, mastering the skill, mastering the art. Of your sorrow and your pain, we'll build a shelter from the emotional rain. No judgment in the design, no pride in the stone. In this house of love, you are never alone. I am building a sanctuary, a place for you to be. To see the victory and to see the strife, to stand in the corner and hold up the light when the path ahead is as dark as the night. I am your witness, I see who you are, a shining sun and a distant star, a conscious presence, a steady hand, walking with you through the shifting sand. it's natural. They say it's a gift, but without the work, the hearts will drift. It's a master skill that we must acquire to keep the flame of the spirit on fire. Master the love, master the care, like the sacred breath in the morning air. It's a conscious walk, a deliberate road, sharing the weight of the heavy load. Study the silence, study the word, hear the things that are seldom heard. Practice the art of being a friend from the beginning until the end. Master the love, master the care. Yeah. When you look in the glass and you only see gray, I'll be the one to wash the shadows away. I won't see the failure or the things you regret. I see the goal that the world hasn't met. It's a deliberate vision, a benevolent eye, finding the truth beneath every lie. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Oh, one vibration. Oh, vulnerability is the bridge to the heart, the courage to show every broken down part. I listen to the mess, I'll edit the pain until your own spirit feels steady again. Benevolence is the frequency we choose, the only way that we never can lose. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Oh, one vibration. Oh, Just be yourself if yourself is in chains. Break through the ego and the emotional rain. Share the anxiety, the doubt and the fear. That is the moment when heaven is near. In this roots rhythm we finally find the peace and the power of a benevolent mind. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Love is the mirror. Jaga.
Oh yeah. Stone by stone. Stone by stone, oh. Stone by stone, we build a tower. Minute by minute, and hour by hour. Foundation laid in the soil of truth. From the wisdom of age to the fire of youth, the architecture of trust is a holy sight. Standing tall in the middle of the night, built by the hands of a faithful friend, on a love that will never, ever end. Yeah. If a crack appears in the middle of the wall, we'll fix it together before it can fall. No storm can shake what is built with grace in this hallowed and sacred space. The architecture of trust is a holy site. It's a space to be filled with the words of a brother whose spirit is chilled. We walk through the valley of ego and pride, but a friend is the person who walks by your side. echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration. Shadows, your failures and shame. I won't look for the person that you used to blame. I'll give you a version of you that is bright when your own inner vision has lost all the light. Vulnerability is the strength of the soul. It's the only medicine that can make us whole. To the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration. One heart, one vibration. House of clay, let the light of a friend wash the sorrow away. We're editing the story, we're changing the script. From the chains of the lonely, our spirits are stripped. In this dove vibration, we finally see that loving each other is what sets us free. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration. One heart, one vibration. Hear the silence, master the art of this soul. One love, one love. The world is shaking and the towers start to lean. Nothing is ever quite as simple as it seems. But when you're drifting on a broken piece of wood, I'll be the land where the righteous have stood. I'll be a solid ground, your foundation and your rock, the steady rhythm that can never stop, rooted in the truth, anchored in the soul, helping the broken parts to become whole. Share your anxiety, give me your fear. The frequency of friendship is all that we hear. No shifting sand and no rising tide. With a true brother, there's nowhere to hide. I'll be your solid ground, your foundation and your rock. Na 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 na, yeah. Na 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 na, oh na na na. Quick to judge and to blame, we often get lost in the shadows of shame. But the brother don't look with a critical eye. He sees the truth beneath every lie. It's a conscious movement, a choice of the soul, to help a broken spirit become whole. Send out a benevolent vibration, healing the wounds of every nation. Friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. Lost your way, I remind you of the light in the middle of the day. I let it the chaos inside of your head and speak words of life that were left unsaid. Vulnerability is the bridge we must cross to find the gold inside of the lost. Send out a benevolent vibration, healing the wounds of every nation. Friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Don't just be natural, be intentional and kind. Leave the ego and the pride behind. In this roots rhythm, we learn to be free. In the reflection of you and me, send out a benevolent vibration. Friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. Practice the love, master the skill. Jah provide the peace. True strength isn't wearing the mask of steel. It's having the courage to say how you feel, to show the cracks where the light comes through, and be completely honest with the old and the new. There is power in the weakness, strength in the tear, admitting the doubt and admitting the fear. It's the bridge to the heart, the path to the real, the only way that the spirit can heal. I'll show you my shadows if you show me yours. We'll open up the windows and open all the doors. No more pretending, no more the lie, underneath the vast and the open sky. There is power in the weakness, strength in the tear. Oh, na na, oh, la la. Morning dust on my feet, red clay on my hands. I feel the ground breathing under the mango stands. listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. See the smoke in the air, footprints by the door. Old words in the evening, ringing like before. I let the worry scatter like birds from the cave. When the night gets heavy, I breathe out your name. I've been listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. Baseline rolling deep, stars in the black sky. Nothing but the heartbeat and the wide open eye. My feet remember, hope my mind forgets. Peace don't rush the doorway, it arrives, it sits. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. Oh, da, 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 da. Life is too serious, the weight is too much. We lose the magic and we lose the touch. But a friend is the one who can find the joke and see the comedy in the fire and the smoke. Let's laugh at the madness, let's play in the sun. The work of the art is meant to be fun. A playful connection, a resilient string to catch us when the bells of sorrow ring. Unity is the glue that will stick. When the walls of the world get too heavy and thick, don't be a statue, don't be a ghost. Laugh with the people that you love the most. Let's laugh at the madness, let's play in the sun. I listen to the sinner and I listen to the saint. It's not just being quiet while you speak your mind. He's searching for the treasures that you need to find. Friendship is an echo, a resonance of love, a gift from the earth and a gift from above. Master the skill of the listening ear until all the shadows start to disappear. Friendship is an echo, a resonance of love.
Take off the armor. Take off the armor. Lay down the shield. There's a beautiful truth in the heart revealed, showing the cracks where the light can dance, giving our spirits a second chance. In the echo of vulnerability we find the sacred tie that truly bind. No more hiding, no more the mask.
like a single seed in a desert of stone. We need the forest, we need the tribe to keep the spirit and the love alive. Rooted in wisdom, growing in grace, moving together at a steady pace. Friendship is the foundation, the ancient key We are builders of a temple that no eye can see, constructed in the silence and the honesty. It's not a natural forest, it's a garden we plant, with the seeds of our truth and the prayers we chant. If the walls are shaky and the foundation is thin, we open the windows and let the light in. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal, to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. When your mind is a city in the middle of a war, I'll be the peace you've been looking for. I listen to the whispers that you're scared to speak, and offer my strength when your spirit is weak. Benevolence is the blueprint, kindness is the stone. In this architecture, you are never alone. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal, to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. One vibration. Don't just be yourself if you're hiding behind the mask. Being truly honest is a holy task. Share the anxiety, the cracks and the dust. That's the only way to build the towers of trust. In this roots rhythm, the ego must fall, to build a world that is open to all. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal,